Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Islam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics SSC 1 9 class, theorem number 16.1.1, and the statement of the theorem is parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallel lines or of the same altitude are equal in area. Students, try to understand the statement. Parallelograms, there are two parallelograms on the same base and both the parallelograms have same base and between the same parallel lines and their altitude are same, or you can say that both the parallelograms are between the same parallel lines and we have to prove that their areas are equal. So students, given is there are two parallelograms between the two parallel lines. Suppose students, these two parallel lines are given and there are two parallelograms A, B, C and D. So students, when we join them, these parallelograms having A, B, C, D, and there are one other parallelograms that is made by joining them these 2 points, and we name them as P and Q. And students, if you think carefully, the basis of both the parallelograms is same, that is AB, and this line, we can name this line as line L and M. Both lines are parallel. So we have to prove that the area of parallelogram ABCD as well as the area of parallelogram ABQP are equal. So students, in given parallelogram ABCD and ABQP, QP not QR, QP have same base, we can say AB, and between the same parallel lines, it is given. बच्चों, given हमें ये है कि ये two parallelograms ABCD and ABQP, both parallelograms have same base, that is AB, and both parallelograms are between the same parallel line, it is given. और हमने प्रूफ ये करना है बच्चों, टू प्रूव है हमारा, to prove area of ABCD is congruent to area of ABQP. We have to prove area of ABCD and area of ABQP that are equal. So students, look at the diagram. Quadrilateral ABQD, this quadrilateral is common between the two parallelograms. Students, ये जो एरिया है जिसको मैंने लाइन जिसमें लगाई है, ये एरिया पैरेललोग्राम ABCD का भी पार्ट है और ये एरिया ABQP का भी पार्ट है. तो ये दोनों में कॉमन पार्ट है दोनों का. अगर हम प्रूफ कर दें कि ट्रायंगल CBQ और DAP ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं, तो जब इस क्वाड्रिलेटर में मैं ये ट्रायंगल का एरिया ऐड करूंगा तो पैरेललोग्राम ABCD बनेगी, और जब मैं ट्रायंगल PAD में ये एरिया ऐड करूंगा तो पैरेललोग्राम ए बी क्यू डी बन जाएगी। तो हमें प्रूफ ये करना है कि ट्रायंगल सी बी क्यू और डी ए पी ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट हों। तो ये हम अभी इसको प्रूफ करेंगे। कंस्ट्रक्शन इसमें हम कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे। अगर कंस्ट्रक्शन में आपने लिखना है तो आप सिर्फ ये लिख सकते हैं कि वी शेडेड द पार्ट ऑफ ए बी क्यू डी। ये कंस्ट्रक्शन आपने करनी है तो करनी है, इसमें कंस्ट्रक्शन ना भी करें तो जरूरत नहीं है। बच्चों प्रूफ में एक तरफ हम लिखेंगे स्टेटमेंट्स और दूसरी तरफ हम लिखेंगे रीजन। और अब बच्चों हम लिखेंगे इन ट्रायंगल PAD correspondence with triangle QBC. Students, PA is congruent to QB and reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. As well as students, DA is congruent to CB and the reason is seen, opposite sides of parallelogram. And students, angle A is congruent to angle B because this angle is between the two parallel lines that are parallel of corresponding sides of CB and QB. So students, angle A will be congruent to angle Q. Reason is angle between the parallel lines. Angles between the parallel lines. So students, side, angle, and this side is congruent to this side. So side, angle, side is congruent to side, angle, side. So students, triangle PAD is congruent to triangle QBC. So students, reason is side, angle, side postulate. So students, these two triangles are congruent. Now students, think that if we add DABQ in both the sides, then when we add DABQ in this triangle, it will be a parallelogram ABQP. And when we add this quadrilateral in this triangle, then it will become ABCD. So students, adding quadrilateral DABQ on both sides. So students, we will add quadrilateral ABQD on both sides. Triangle PAD plus quadrilateral ABQD is congruent to triangle QBC plus quadrilateral ABQD. Reason is adding quadrilateral on both sides. So students, when we add this quadrilateral in this triangle, it will be parallelogram ABQP, and when we add this quadrilateral in this triangle, then it will be ABCD, and that we have to prove. So students, when we add this quadrilateral in this triangle, it will be parallelogram ABQD will be congruent to ABCD, and we have to prove, and at the end I will write proved. So students, we have proved that if two parallelograms having same base and are between the same altitude or in same parallel line, they have same area or their areas are equal. So students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.